What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is episode 1, building my Nissan Z. Here we got my 2024 Nissan Z. So those that do not know, I got the sport version of the Nissan Z because I didn't feel like I needed all the extras that it came with. Only because I'm going to swap out a lot of things. So today we're installing the OEM spoiler. If you ask why about the OEM spoiler, the next piece that I bought, the car part that I bought from Japan, it requires the OEM spoiler. So we got the OEM spoiler right here. I ordered it from Z1, and actually it was a black one. They didn't have a white one, and I got a used one off of them. I didn't want to buy a brand new one paint match because it's just like an OEM spoiler. So it's in this box. And then the second piece, the wing that I got, is right here. I'm not gonna spoil it. I won't show you the front, but you can see the Japanese letters. So episode 1, we're gonna install the OEM spoiler. Episode 2, I got this other spoiler from Japan. And yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, so it's actually like 4:30 a.m. Um, the goal today was to wake up early and knock this out. So I will be installing both wings, but it'll be 2 videos. Only reason being because I'm in Vegas and it is so hot. So as it gets later on to the night, it actually gets hotter. So right now the garage is about 87 degrees. So I will be reversing the Z a little bit closer right here, halfway out the garage, and garage halfway closed. Hopefully I get some cooler air, because right now it's like 75 degrees outside. All right, so we're just gonna see what's in the box, and yeah, let's go ahead and open it. So here we got the OEM wing. As you can see, the bottom, there's some clips. Luckily, it came with the hardware. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and looks like there was 3M tape right here. So I'm gonna need to scrape these off till I fully install it and put some new 3M tape. So, but what I'm thinking, since these don't have the hole, since it's the sport, never was a wing right here, I'm actually not gonna drill anything for this, because this would have to be like a clip in. So I would have to drill extra holes for these ones just to pop these ones in, but I don't see the need for these if I already got 4 bolts and 3M tape. So no need for these. I'm gonna take this out. So now the tricky part is lining it up. You know, I don't have an extra set of hands, so lining this up and drilling these holes. So I think I have to make like a template or something of the bottom, just so I could see the hole marks where I want to put it at. So let's go ahead and get to it. Yep, so right now I'm just kind of like lining this up on here. Try to get that fitment. Like, that's the only freaking thing you don't know exactly how it's supposed to fit. But we're just going to wing it. Make sure we're going to measure the size. Make sure it's all even. And I'm going to tape it off. So I'll put tape around to mark the area where it's going to be mounted. So I actually measured like 5 times. So I did measure from the corner going all the way to the white corner. So it's a little bit like one line right under the 9-inch. So we're just gonna run this for now. We can always make the bolt hole slightly bigger so we can shift it around. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So now we're just gonna mask out the whole area and see where my fitment lining is gonna be. Alright, so if you ever watched my other videos, paper is your friend. So I'm just gonna make the bottom template, cut it out to shape, right? Tape it up, and then open the hole on the paper, take out the paper from the bottom of the wing, line it up with the tape onto the trunk and mark the holes. So now that the paper template is done, we're gonna get behind this and start marking the holes. So when mark the holes, look from behind, mark the holes, put your finger on it, get a feel on it. So again, paper template doesn't have to be perfectly exact. We're just trying to get an idea where the hole is. So we got a hole right there. So we're always gonna start out when you're drilling on the trunk. We're gonna do a pilot hole first and work our way up, and then work our way up with a unibit. We'll pilot hole, then we can always reposition later where else you wanna put it at. Holes already marked. I already marked it through to the car. So it just is just a guesstimate. So you want a hole placement just so you can kind of like see right through it to see where you are from the other side. So start off with a pilot hole. I did measure from the distance from the hole to the edge on the wing. Same for the paper to try to match it. And let's get to drilling. Got the unibit, making the hole bigger. Don't forget, you're gonna take these out on the bottom, and the bolt's supposed to line up and go through here. So test fitting a little bit. Left goes in, middle goes in. I need to make these holes slightly bigger on this side, so give it more wiggle room. The bolts go through, but now this side is too much this side to the left, so I'm gonna have to slot the holes to shift it to the right a bit more. All right, so I slotted the holes. Now I'm able to shift it. You can see it, move it left to right. So you shift it until it's like perfect where you want it, and then just go ahead and tighten it. I'm gonna add 3M tape later, but it'll still hold. There's four bolts on it, so 3M tape will just seal it in more. But for now, I'm gonna run it like this. So as I'm tightening the bolts, you can tell like they're a little offset from the holes. So I'm not sure how the factory looks, but I feel like when you had mounted it from the center, the fitment was a lot off coming from the edge. It's like too much in. So I'm not sure exactly how the factory is, but I'm gonna run it like this. I could always adjust it later, and then we'll see how the new wing mounts on top of this. But I'm just gotta tighten it, and then there's playroom inside here. So like that's for like the nut when loosening. So even though it's a little offset from the hole, it's fine. Like I wanted the fitment, what it looks like from the outer, look good, I guess. Follow the lining. So I'm not sure how it is, but in the next video when we test fit, we'll the new wing that goes on top of here, we're just gonna see if I need to move the OEM spoiler. All right, guys, we're finally done. Everything's bolted on. Fitment is not perfect, but it's expected when you're installing basically aftermarket since it didn't come with the car. So now, next video, let's go ahead and test out the fitment of the new wing and see if I have to make adjustments for this. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned on this build. 2025, this will be a SEMA build, but I'm going to work my way slowly, make some content, build this slowly, because I don't want to just build it all at one time and then the Z is done and I can't make any more content. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.